Hi, and welcome to Copilot for Work. This is your Copilot speaking. Today, we're going to be looking at how to use Microsoft Copilot to make a song. And over here, what I do have is the Windows Copilot opened. You notice that you actually get a prompt over here, compose a love song that doubles as a proposal. And what this is going to be able to do, if you notice in the bottom left, it specifies Suno. And Suno is one of the plugins that it's able to connect to. So over here, we're going to try out just clicking on this button to create the prompt, but you could also ask it and add more details to ask it to make a specific song that you want it to make as well. So over here, I'm going to click on this. Now it's going to compose a love song that doubles as a proposal. And you can see that one of the privacy statements is that your song request and any personal data within it will be shared with Suno. So you can actually describe the genres, the vibes, and you can actually be specific with the type of song that you want to make. You are actually limited to creating 5 songs per day at this point of time. And okay, so it started to generate the song. And let's scroll down to the bottom over here. It's giving me some options as well to add another verse, make it more upbeat. But I do want to caution you, I've tested this out as well. And we're going to take a look at it in a bit more detail. Asking you to add an additional verse. Well, I like that that's an option, that's a conversational option within Copilot. It's not a capability option within Suno at this point of time. And so it's not going to be able to actually extend or add another verse directly in this Windows Copilot panel. I do hope it's a feature that they add in for future updates, but at this point in time, it's a limitation. You're just going to get this one song that you have. Okay, it's done creating the song. Okay, and you can see it's created a verse and a chorus, just a simple verse and a chorus. And at this point of time, the Suno integrated in Windows Copilot or in Microsoft Copilot is currently only limited to a 1-minute output max. Okay, so it's verse and a chorus, and yeah, we can give it a listen.
Every time I see your smile, I feel it in my heart. Your touch takes me to a place where love will never part. With every word I sing, I hope you understand that this melody is my way of asking for your hand. So let this love song be my proposal. Will you share your life with me, my love? Forever in your arms I'll find my home. Together we can make the sweetest love song.
Okay, so that's that 1 minute that you get, a verse and a chorus. And recommendation, and we're going to get into a bit more detail over here in Suno in a moment, is either a verse and a chorus or just 2 verses for that song. The main limit right now is that 1 minute mark for Suno and Copilot. Now, just to show you what happens when you actually ask it to add in another verse or a bridge or to make some modifications to it, you can click on it over here. Copilot is going to understand what you want to do. It's going to adjust the prompt and send that back to Suno. However, Suno has a limitation at this point in time. It's not going to be able to adapt the current song that has been generated. Instead, what it's going to do, although it's saying that it's adding an additional verse, okay, so now it's generated that song. And while we asked it to add in another verse, which in this case it kind of did, it created a song with 2 verses and a chorus, you'll notice that the entire song is different. So the first one that we generated, Forever in Your Arms, the lyrics over here, every time I see you smile, that's different from what we're getting in this song as well. Every moment spent with you. Right, same thing with the chorus. So I let this love song be my proposal. This love song is my proposal. And basically it's regenerated an entirely new song with 2 verses this time around. And if you did this one more time, ask it to add in another verse or add in a bridge, I believe it's currently just limited at this verse, 2 verses and a chorus, or and that's going to exceed that 1 limit mark as well. So if I play the song over here,
every moment spent with you has been a treasure. Every word, every touch feels like pure pleasure.
So it's a beautiful song. It's in a different style, it's a different voice.
Without you near. So
different style and different voice from the previous recording.
In this melody, I've tucked all my hopes and dreams. With every note, my love for you gleams. So take my hand and dance with me through this night, and let our love shine eternally bright. This love song is my proposal, my heart on display. With every lyric
Okay, so we've hit that 1 minute mark, and you can see midway through the chorus, before it could even finish all of the words, it's cut off. So that's why the recommendation is actually keep it to 2 verses or just a verse and a chorus. Okay, and so this is powered by Suno, Suno.ai. Now we're going to head over to the website to take a look at it in a bit more detail. So coming to Suno.ai, you got a spin wheel over here to make different kind of songs. And if you look at the About section, Suno is building a future where anyone can make great music, whether you're a shower singer or a charting artist. Love the mission that they have over here. It's more about the team. Okay. And they have a block. You have a button over here to make a song. So you can click on this to make a song. And this actually requires an account. So if you're using it in the Copilot, it's able to actually integrate directly into the API. But if you're using it at the Suno.ai website, you're going to actually need to create an account. Now over here in Suno.ai, they do have a V3 available, and this allows 2-minute songs instead of the 1-minute song limit that you have in Copilot. Okay, you require credits to actually generate the songs, and so over here what I can get started is to actually click on the create button, and this is some of the songs that I generated early on today as well. So you're able to put in a prompt to suggest the song description, and you can suggest how you create it as well. So you do have a custom mode where you can put in random lyrics or enter your own lyrics, specify the style, the title, all of that, and these are the kind of outputs that you'll get. So
every time I see your face, my heart skips a beat.
And you can see over here it extends beyond the 1-minute mark.
Love will stand. I'll be your rock, you'll be my guiding hand.
So that actually allows you to get 2 verses and a chorus in. Now, an interesting part of the Suno AI that you have on the website is the ability to actually remix or continue from the song. And so what I did over here with this segment is I actually continued from this song, added in some additional lyrics or make random lyrics, and then you can specify from which segment of the first song that you had to continue from. So in this case, from the 1-minute 12-second mark, that's kind of where we ended off. I asked it to continue, and it added in additional lyrics that follows from the same song and tune. Okay, so if you take a listen to this.
Late at night, when the city's asleep, I wander the streets in my own dreamy beat. The neon lights, they illuminate my way. As I dance through the night, I can't help but sway.
So it does a good job of continuing the same vocals, the same type of genre and tune, instruments as well. Same for the chorus as well. So it's the same chorus. I had to copy and paste the chorus back in as well. And it's actually able to follow that same chorus.
Cause forever starts with you, my love. Hand in hand we'll face the world, rise above.
Okay, but this is where it met its limits as well. So for this extension part, you can see over here I have a limit of 1 minute. So in the previous segment where I had 1 minute and 30 seconds, or that full 2 minutes, I was actually able to generate the two verses and the chorus, but same thing over here.
Late at night when the
It stops abruptly at the 1 minute mark, doesn't finish fully generating. Okay, so I hope this gives you a sense of how you can use Copilot to actually create songs, and it actually pulls from the plugin from Suno.ai to extend its song generation capability.